Happy birthday sa pinaka-the best diva ng lahat, ang dance diva ng Philippines, Miss Regine Tolentino, ang Marsa ng Bayan. Ayan. Happy birthday sa aming pinakababait na kaibigan, Mars Regine. Lagi ka lang mag-iingat, and then wish lang namin sa'yo lagi good health, good life, and then more projects pa sa iyong career. Thank you, Mars, and lagi ka mag-iingat, and I love you, we love you. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Hi sis, Mare, Kumarsis, and Marcis, Regine. Happy birthday and greetings from downtown Houston. I just want to greet you a very happy birthday. Please stay healthy, happy, and gorgeous. Lahat na. You have everything in you, with you. A good partner, cute and very good children, and good friends. And share ka naman ng konti. Tapan mo dito. I cannot wait for the next time I see you back in Manila, or when you guys are here in the States. I truly treasure my friendship with you, and I truly take into heart all the pieces of advice you've given me. You're truly the sister I never had. Sobrang bait mo sa akin, and I really appreciate that you shell out time. I know you're very busy into, checking up on me and my well-being here in the States. So for that, thank you. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Hi Mars, greetings from Dubai, and I want to greet you. Happy birthday. Kamusta ka na, Mars? Nandito ka ngayon sa restaurant. That's the name of my restaurant, and I'm hoping you'd come back here and we can have dinner here or lunch. And another year has passed, and I'm so happy that I get to see you this year. So sana magkita ulit tayo next year, and I wish you nothing but the best, more blessings. Ikaw na ata yung nakilala ko na isa sa pinakamabait na tao. So keep up the good work, the love for your children, and the way you see things in life. Keep up the positive vibe. I'm gonna be here for you whenever you need me, and I see you next year. Happy birthday.
Hi Mars, another year to come. Happy birthday once again. This is Michelle from Montreal, sending you best wishes, happiness, and good health, and stay fabulous as you are. You look great, by the way. So hope to see you again one day. We miss you. We miss dancing with you. Love you. Ciao. Take care.
Hi Mars, happy birthday. My wish for you is more success in life, good health, and more happiness. And I'm so excited to see you again in November here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Love you.
Hi Regine, happy birthday. God bless you and your family. Enjoy your day. This is Melvin, your Showtime kapareho.
Tolentino, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Wish you more birthdays to come.
Hi, Mars Regine. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. Pinamamay po Mars. Bawat request ko ginagawa niya agad. Sana Mars stay sweet at laging maganda.
Happy birthday
Ninang.
to you.
Happy
birthday
to you. Happy birthday, Ninang.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, sabi mo, happy birthday, Ninang Regine. Regine, happy birthday. Ninang. Happy birthday, Ninang. Happy birthday, Mars. God bless.
Hi Mars Reg, I just want to greet you a very happy birthday, and I just wish you all the best and good health and more success. So I miss you and I love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa iyo, Mars Regine. My goodness, sobrang miss na kita. Kailan ba tayo magkikita? But anyway, I really thank God for our friendship na hindi nagbabago. Na kahit matagal na tayo hindi nagkikita, pag nagkita tayo ulit, parang kahapon lang tayo nagkita. So my wish for you and my prayers for you, dear Mars, is that the Lord will bless you the way you have blessed a lot of people, and that the Lord will bless your family. I pray that the Lord will bless you with good health at saka more blessings pa sa iyong work. I love you so much, Mars, and I really, really miss you. Happy birthday!
Hi, Mars! How are you? We miss you so much. We're here at the waterfront right now. Talaga sinadya namin punta dito just to make a video greet for you on your birthday. I pray that you will have more dance events.
Especially in Cebu.
Yes, tapos success in your career. And I pray for God's abounding blessings to you. Happy birthday, Mars. We love you.
Happy birthday, Marcy. We love you. See you soon.
Hello, Ate Regine. Happy birthday. You are a ray of sunshine that brightens everyone's heart. And so, you truly deserve all the happiness in this world. I hope you enjoy your special day and every day after. I miss you so much, and so I hope we will see each other again soon here in Japan. I love you, Ate Regine. Greetings from Japan.
Happy birthday, Marcy! Wish you more birthdays to come. God bless and good health sa iyo palagi. And palagi ka mag-iingat sa mga event tour mo. We love you so much. TDM crew, always here to support you. See you soon! I love you! Happy birthday!
Hi, Marcy Regine Tolentino. Happy birthday! I'm wishing you happiness and good luck for whatever you do. Just take care of yourself, always. Love you, Marcy. God bless. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Dance Diva Regine Tolentino from
Winnipeg! Happy birthday, Marcy! Happy birthday! Once again, another year for you. You're so blessed. I miss you so much. Hope to see you soon. I heard you're coming back to Canada. Hope to see you there, wherever you're going. Happy birthday. God bless, and I love you.